In front of me is Sharp Aquos R2, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the camera app, then tap on the More icon and select Common. Here you will notice self-timer display, so just tap on it and from now on it will be active. Here you've got it, and you can smoothly tap here to activate 5 or 10 seconds delay. And as you can see now, the picture will be taken after 10 seconds. You can see the light info and also the sound. And that's it. Then to turn it off, just make sure that it's off. And now the picture is grabbed with no delay. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.